Bukas mo maayos yung
Sige po, sige.
A lot of changes sa Terra Firma. Anong pakiramdam mo kasi maganda na yung pinapakita bigla nagka-change?
Actually, bittersweet feeling kasi syempre yung mga nawala sa amin, very close ako dun may relationship na kami. Actually, may group chat pa rin kami, nagkakamustahan. Si Ice, very close ako kay Ice. Kinakamusta ko siya actually kung kamusta siya sa Triangle, kamusta yung Ginebra. But at the same time, very happy ako para sa kanila to play for Ginebra. Pangarap yan lahat ng mga players and to play under the greatest coach, Coach Tim. So I'm very happy for the both of them. At also kay Javi, yung pangarap niya bumalik ng KBL na natupad niya. So very happy. But also at the same time, may nakuha naman namin si Stanley at si Stan who are two elite players, two champion players. So medyo feel ko naman equal naman yung pagkapalit ng players.
Having an elite big man in question, with all due respect to the other bigs ninyo, pero elite big man talaga si Stan. Anong sabi mo na at least kunwari mag-stress ka, may re-rebound sa ilalim?
Actually feel ko nga yung defense talagang magpo-focus na sa kanya Ang laking bagay niya nung naglaro kami against Magnolia Fortuna game. Ang laking difference, laking ginhawa sa akin na ang laki na ng space na nakukuha niya. Lalo na sa 4-point line, I feel like mag-benefit yun talaga sa kanya kasi it will be harder for defense to double, triple team him kasi lalo na with Stanley there, ako who can make 4-point shots, it'll be harder to help off of us.
Kasi veterans sa guard position, ikaw yung nag-provide.
Opo.
Now, with Stanley coming in, tingin mo mas dadaling para sa yung skills, considering na sa scoring, inaasahan.
Opo, definitely po kasi in practices, ang nakikita namin ulit yung old Stanley Pringle yung Global Port Stanley Pringle. Mas nagiging creative siya, mas nagiging aggressive siya kasi as we all know yung Triangle naman equal opportunity offense yun but here with our system parang we heavily relied talaga sa guard plays.
How about yung kasi pasok kayo sa playoffs, you made strides. Do you think even with the personnel change mami-maintain nyo yung at least makapasok ulit sa playoffs?
Feel ko naman kasi lalo na si Sistan gusto talaga manalo niyan and ramdam ko naman sa practices at saka sa mga tune-up games namin kung na gusto niya maglaro and ang maganda sa kanya, ganda ng attitude niya, walang complaints. Actually sinasabihan pa nga niya ako, you have to be more aggressive, it makes my life easier. And for him to say that, for an MVP caliber player to say that, laking bagay at saka laking confidence na nabibigay niya sa akin.